Gesundheit.
Forgive me. I'm allergic to metallic chromium. There must be a source near... Sorry.
Interesting.
Not really. On my world, chromium allergies are quite common.